When was the last time you tested your home for radon? If the answer is never, it's time to get a kit. Radon is a naturally occurring gas that forms when radioactive materials break down. As such, radon is radioactive, and when enough of it collects in an enclosed area, it poses a health threat. Did you know? Radon is the second leading cause of lung cancer overall, and the leading cause of lung cancer among non-smokers. Iowa has the largest percentage of homes above the United States EPA action level in the country. Radon is odorless and colorless, so you might have heightened levels in your home and not know it. The good news is, it's never too late to test your home. You can purchase radon test kits through Johnson County Public Health. They are available in person at the public health office, or you could have one mailed to you. When you receive your kit, follow the instructions for testing and place it in the lowest livable area in your home, such as a basement. Simply let the test sit and collect a sample. After the test period, fill out the information on the test kit, including your name, the address that was tested, and your email address. Recycle the plastic hook and cardboard from the kit and seal the test kit to ensure no radon escapes. Then place your kit in the mail to have it sent to the lab for analyzing. No postage is necessary. For best results, send your kit right after test completion. The lab will contact you with the results and recommend your next steps in accordance with EPA standards. If you have any questions about your results, feel free to reach out to Johnson County Public Health for assistance. Johnson County Public Health is here to help you feel safe, comfortable, and healthy in your home. To receive a kit, call 319-356-6040. For more information, visit our website, johnsoncountyiowa.gov/publichealth.